In this video, I will explain how to use the SMS message from Credit Money Machine Cloud. The first thing you do is to go to the menu, then go to My Settings, and then SMS Settings. Here you need to open an account with Twilio and twilio.com, and then you should enter the account ID, the authorization token, and the phone number that they will give you, and save it. Then you'll go to the contacts, and from here you're gonna see an icon, so you can type your message here. You can use this symbol to personalize the message and click send SMS, or you can have selected many contacts or leads that you can filter with the statuses, for example, and then you can click here send SMS. That will send the SMS to selected contacts. So the same thing, you will write the message and then you can send it, and that's all to it. It's very simple. Thank you.